In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Trello dark mode in just 5 minutes. Dark mode has become an increasingly popular feature, offering not only a sleeker look but also a more comfortable viewing experience, especially in low light environments. So let's dive right in and switch your Trello workspace to dark mode with a few simple steps. First, you'll need to navigate to the Trello homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in trello.com. This will take you to Trello's main website where you can capture, organize, and tackle your to-dos from anywhere. The interface is quite user-friendly, ensuring you can find things easily. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen and you'll find the Login button. Go ahead and click on it. Trello uses Atlassian's secure login system, so you might need your Atlassian account credentials to access your Trello boards. If you're already logged in, that's great. You can skip this step. Otherwise, enter your details and log in to access your Trello workspace. Now that you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Trello workspace. This is where you can see all your boards, and it's your hub for managing tasks and projects. From here, you'll want to set your focus on the next task, accessing your profile settings. To do this, look for your profile icon, usually located at the top of the page. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, find and click on the profile link. This will take you to the settings associated with your account. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with the various options here, since they allow you to customize your Trello experience, ensuring it suits your personal or organizational needs. Once you are in your profile settings, look for the theme option. Clicking on this will open a submenu where you can choose different visual themes for your Trello workspace. This is where the magic happens. You'll see several theme options, but our focus today is on enabling dark mode. Finally, in the theme options, you'll see the dark theme listed. Click on dark and voila. Your Trello interface will switch to dark mode, providing a new stylish look to your boards. The dark theme can help reduce eye strain and make working on late night projects more comfortable. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully enabled dark mode on Trello. Feel free to explore and play around with the settings to find what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in your new sleek Trello environment.